We're here at Paradys Proefplaas, which is in Bloemfontein. It's a University of the Free State's project farm. As Rectron, we're here as part of our PEU CSI program to donate an agricultural drone, one of our new additions to farming technology. So we've just donated a state-of-the-art Agras drone by DJI to this farm as part of the, to support the research work and the training that happens for agricultural students on the farm through the university. The aim of that is to really introduce technology to farming and also to enhance learning, through technology, specifically in the agricultural space, which is new for the country.
Today I'm here representing the university at the Paradys Experimental Farm. This farm is very important to us because we are really trying to train our students to get a practical component as part of the curriculum. Because our experience has shown us that students graduating from our university are getting jobs if they have practical experience. We have also seen that in our trips overseas. So that is why we are so grateful for the sponsorship of Rectron.
This initiative and collaboration is quite important to us. As part of the PEU program, we've always been behind or supporting or seeing any opportunity where we can introduce technology to learning, particularly in support of STEM subjects. So this initiative is quite important to us to enable, the university through the agricultural program, enable students to learn the enhancement and even find new ways of doing things, because really farming for the future has to involve technology, so from a sustainability point of view, it made sense to us to have this collaboration.
And from now on, we are going to walk a close path with Rectron. If there's new technology in the market, we are going to ask him, please bring it to the farm, show the students, so that the students can learn about that. So that whenever the students are leaving the university, they know about that. And they are ready to go and use it on the farms.